Hi, everyone. This is Paula Bloom. A little bit about myself. I'm a wife, a mother, a teacher, and a preacher. I enjoy eating, I enjoy traveling, I enjoy crafting. As far as my career goes, I have most experience in higher education, in instructional design, and educational technology. For my research, I do plan to focus on adult education in the age of technology and what that looks like for adult learning theories to intersect with technology innovation, how that translates in the classroom for adult learners and their learning experiences. Um, Two emerging technologies that I would like to mention in this video is number one, open educational resources. I am interested in the notion of OER being able to lower costs for students, especially those who are from low income backgrounds and those who are marginalized for other reasons. Additionally, I am interested in OER because it's something that I think helps faculty to share their research and to allow others who aren't as knowledgeable as they are to build upon their work. So I think it encourages a certain level of community and sharing of resources. The second emerging technology that I would like to lift up or mention here is the notion of social media in teaching and learning. I would have to say that I'm worried about this from the perspective of how social media has transformed um, interaction among people. And I can say, for me personally, I would much rather communicate with people via technologies, social media, and so forth, as opposed to having a conversation over the telephone or having face to face conversations. Um, so I know it's changed me in a certain way that may not be all that positive. And I do see that even in my two young children, that they are so engaged with technology, not so much social media, but it does take away from their interaction with us and with other people. So those are the emerging technologies that I would like to explore more and how they might fit into society and in the classroom. Thanks.